Hey everyone, I want to do a quick test with a DJI Mini 2. We had a chance to go down to the domes of Casa Grande, about 50 miles south of Phoenix. When we got there, it was pretty windy, probably about 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to 20. I decided to put the drone up just to see how it handled in the wind, and also I wanted to see how it would handle Quickshots, circle mode, or the other modes. This is the only one I got the chance to do was circle mode, and it did a pretty good job, I think. Let me know what you think in the comments, and hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.